Just a Porsche is holding a phone, I've just seen that. Nice handheld phone call going there. That's a drop it like you're guilty. I could clearly see that the phone screen was on an active call. You were holding the phone.
Film that as well.
Were you holding the phone, yes or no? It's entirely possible it's on speaker. And you shouldn't be making speaker calls anyway. No, I'm not following him, I'm going to talk to him again. Don't want to have any more to do with him. Do you know what, we're going to disengage completely and go this way.